I'm Laura. Before my accident, I was an American Sign Language interpreter. Still am, I just haven't been able to work since. The morning of my accident, I remember pulling up to a light that was just turning red, and I was making a left. I was the first one pulling up to the light in the left turn lane. And it's a busy intersection, so I stopped back a little bit and just waited. It's a long light. And I remember reaching over. I was in a large pickup truck, and then I heard the metal crunching. That was the only thing I remember until being hysterical and trying to call 911. I was having headaches. I was bumping into things. I was sensitive to light, and everything was just bothering me, and I couldn't figure out why or what. And people told me it was stress. I was like, okay. Normally, I would get up early and I would get ready and I would go to work. After the accident, I found myself kind of wandering through, not even the day, it was wandering through every moment. I couldn't find motivation. I was tearing. I was just lost. I had a feeling of no help and no hope. When I came to the doctor's office and went through all the vision testing and everything, I still really didn't know if it was going to help. She had me walk down the hall first, and when I came back, she said, now I want you to look from side to side as if you're in a grocery store. So I said, okay, and I started doing this. And she said, no, just your head. So what do you mean? She said, you're moving your shoulders. I didn't even realize it. I was compensating for something, and I didn't even know. She put the prism lens and stuff, and then I did it, and it was just amazing, the difference. I'll never forget sitting in the office, and after putting the glasses on and doing the whole hallway thing, sitting down, and the doctor then suggested that there are people who have noise sensitivity. She put noise-canceling earbuds in my ears and then turned them on, and I had the glasses on, and I just went, It was such a relief. I mean, it was amazing. Within a couple of minutes, my headache was subsiding. My shoulders were always up like this before because I was so tense, and my shoulders dropped. It's been a really big game changer, and having these things has made it easier to deal with just what I have to deal with.